This spicy Matki Usal is so good. You'll want second before your first plate is over. First, dry roast grated coconut until it's golden and aromatic. Add dalchini, clove, and black pepper. Now add a little oil and roast sliced onions until nicely brown. Let both cool down, then grind them into a smooth masala. Next, dry roast the matki for a few minutes to reduce its raw smell. Keep it aside. Heat oil in a kadai and saute the prepared masala until fragrant. Add ginger garlic paste and mix well. Add turmeric, Kanda-Lasun masala, Kashmiri lal masala, tikha lal, Garam masala, Coriander powder, Cumin powder, and mix all together. Now add chopped tomatoes and mix well together. Add salt. Add the roasted matki and cook until it's soft. Pour hot water and let it come to a nice boil. Finish with freshly chopped coriander. Serve hot with chapati, bhakri or steamed rice and enjoy every bite.